In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate struts on this BMW X5. These are going to be attached to the liftgate. Let's get into it. I'm just going to support this with a pull jack. I'm just going to use a rag just so I don't damage any of the trim. And just support it. Or you could have an assistant hold this up for you while you're doing it. We're going to take this clip off. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get underneath there and pry it out. And pull that off. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom one. And normally you're going to pop that clip off as well. This one is actually broken, so I'm just going to slide that off like that. Take the new one, pop this on. Now get the top one lined up. You might have to turn this slightly. Push that on. And you can do the same on the other side. And now we're going to remove the pull jack. And close it up. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.